When replacing the shocks on your hood or deck lid, make sure you pry them up and support them with something, or have a friend to help. When you remove one shock, a single shock will not have enough force to support the weight of the lid. Each shock is held in using a small pin and clip to keep them in position. Make sure that you are careful not to lose the clip or the pin into the recesses of your engine compartment or the front trunk. The new shocks should last several years until they begin to wear out. A dual shock kit for the rear deck lid is shown here. The spacer separates the outer shock from the inner one while allowing them both to use the same mounting points. A long bolt with a nylon insert washer keeps the entire assembly together. Install the dual shock kit if you are installing a rear spoiler on your 911. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.